Hi guys, welcome to the Fans2Page tutorial where we're going to run through exactly how to set up this Facebook app and get it working for you, getting you lots more customers and increasing the engagement on your page. We're going to move pretty quickly because it will take a few minutes and we want to make the video as short as possible. So the screen you see here is after you have logged in to the application. You will see this admin account screen here, and on this in this column here you'll see available Facebook pages, selected Facebook pages in the other column here. So what you want to do is you want to select the Facebook page that you want to add Fans2Page app to. So in this case we're going to use Lord of the Ties, which is the fictitious store that we used in our explainer video. And to add that, all we do is we come across here and we just click on the plus button, and you'll see that that has now added it over here. And then we go down here to Save Pages and click that, and we'll just wait for that to go. And if you come down here you will see that's the profile image for that page, Lord of the Ties. So it's been selected, and then all you've got to do to add it to the page is you come over here and click on Set Up Your Page. Once you click that, it'll bring up this dialog box from Facebook, and it asks you to choose what page you want to add it to. So again, we come down and we'll look for Lord of the Ties to add it to the page. There we go, there it is. So we click on that one, and then we come back, click on that button, and we've got a successful message. The app was installed successfully. Go to your page to activate it. So we'll click OK, and then we'll come across here to the Lord of the Ties page. Just refresh that as the app's been added, and you can see down here that we've got the Fans2Page logo here, which means that the app has been added to the page. So if we click on that, brings us through to the app page, and you'll see the placeholder image, and it shows that that we're signed up for the contest. As I've already allowed the application, already approved it, it shows me as all already registered. Now you'll see this section up here where it says Go to Admin. Anybody that goes to that page, no one will see that except you as an administrator of the page, and this is where we customize the offer page and the application. So if you just click on Go to Admin, that'll bring you into the administration area of the actual application. Okay, now once here you've got a number of different tabs along the top of the application here. We'll just run through quickly what each one does. Subscribers will give you a list of all the people that have allowed the application, and as you can see we've only got myself here at the moment, but once your page is active and you have people join the contest and allow the application, this will fill up with users and give you their first name, last name, the gender, their contact email address, their IP address, and a link to their profile. And you'll see here we've got an export subscribers button that enables you to export that to a CSV document, put it into a autoresponder mail out, so you can send out information to those people about your business, about your products. It's just another way that the application allows you to increase the number of customers you've got, and obviously email works really, really well, and it's independent of anything you do on Facebook. So it's a really big plus to have this feature in there, and enables you to, as long as they have continue to opt in, enables you to market to those people anytime that you see fit. This tab here, we've got the winners. So any contests that have been won and claimed as Fan of the Day, you will find their details in here. We'll come back to create contests in a minute. Active contests will just tell you whether you've got a contest running at the moment, and it also tells you the number of subscribers and also any scheduled contests that you have. And then under the contest button here, we'll click on that, because okay, so we haven't even created any contest yet, so it says click here to begin. But under here, this will have a list of any contests that you have set up. Now while it is a perpetually running contest, meaning it just continues to keep going, what you can do is that you can schedule different contests, so one to begin and end, and then another one to start afterwards, because you can have that so that you can change the offers, and you can change the prizes that you're offering. So rather than going into the one contest each time and modifying it, you may have 3 or 4 all lined up in a row that change, say, every 4 or 5 days. So that means rather than going in, altering the one contest and then reloading it, you just have one finish and then another one with a different image for the prize, and then a different page set up for the special offer that you may have going. So it enables you to set it all up in advance and just have it occur automatically, because we'll talk about it a little later, but one of the key things with this application is that you need to change your prize offer and you need to change your promotional offer on a regular basis to stop people getting what's called banner blindness, which is when they become used to seeing the same thing over and over again, and it becomes to the point where they don't take any notice of it. Now, the last tab up here is the Create Contest tab, and that is where we'll do the bulk of the editing for the application. So if you see here, we've got the contest form, we've got the contest name. You can set this to anything you want. It's just a reminder so you know exactly what contest it is. So in this case, we'll put in Lord of the Ties 1. Contest description, Lord of the Ties tie giveaway number 1. So anything you want you can put in there, it won't be seen anywhere else. If you come down here, it says send notifications to users. Send notifications to users when there is an active contest. Notifications are sent every other day. This is a really cool feature of the application. If you click this button here, it means that every second day, somebody who has opted in to the application and has not opted out of receiving notifications will be given a reminder that the application has chosen a new winner. It may be them, and they should go and visit the application to see if it's them. And where that notification will occur is up here, and it will occur as a little red 1 will come up, and it will notify them that they have a new notification or message. And then you click on this, and if we go down here, we'll see one for the test app that we did before. Okay, here we go. Fans2Page, we have a new winner. Come check if you're the one and claim your prize on Friday. So that's what they will see. If they then click that, it will take them directly through to the application. Now, what's so great about this feature is people forget, you know, we all forget. I forget things all the time, and in today's busy life, sometimes you forget to go and have a look to see if you're today's winner. This will notify them and remind them, and in all the testing that we've done, we found a massive spike in traffic to the application in the hour after that notification was automatically posted on every second day. The reason we do it every second day is you don't want to annoy your fans too much. Once every 2 days we've found has been perfect, because they're going to check to see if they won a prize because you're not selling them hard. We have found that the opt-out rate on this notification button is almost 0. It is incredibly low. Very few people will opt out of being reminded that they may have won a prize. Now, in this box here, the notification text, you can put whatever you want there that will appear in that notification that then happens as we showed you up here. Now, we recommend something like, we have a winner, click to see if it's you, but you can put whatever you want as long as it's relevant and on topic. Then make it however you want. So that's fine. Just and enter the text in there, and then that will be the text that goes out on the automatic notifications every second day. Okay, now if we come down here to the next button, increase your chances button link, and it says redirect users to this link after they click on the increase your chances button. Now on the application offer page, and we'll show you in a minute exactly what that looks like, there is a button when people go to check to see if they are today's prize winner. If they are not the prize winner, they'll be presented with a button that says increase your chances of winning next time, click here. Now what happens is when they click that button, an algorithm slightly weights their chances of winning the next day a little higher than it was today. And what we've found is people will absolutely click that button because they want a better chance of winning the prize. And what happens though is at the same time as they click the button and they're given a higher chance of winning, you are able to then redirect them to wherever you want. It might be a website, it might be a shopping cart on Facebook, it might be a shopping cart on a regular website, it might be a thank you page, it might be another offer for something else. You might have another offer of some description that you want to present to them, or it might be to the timeline of their Facebook page. And we really recommend that you consider sending them to your timeline, because what we're going to show you in a minute is exactly how, using this feature, you can dramatically increase your Edge Rank score, which will then in turn mean that when you post on your Facebook page, the number of people that will see it will rise dramatically, and the engagement level on your page and through posts on your fans' news feeds will also rise dramatically. And it's a really neat little trick we'll show you. But just for now, know that this is where you put the URL link for that. So, okay, so in this case, if we wanted to send anyone that clicks the increase your chances button to the timeline, of the Facebook page, we just come in here, we take the URL from up here, come in here and type in HTTPS and then facebook.com and then the name of the fan page, in this case Lord of the Tires Online. So you just paste that simply in there, and that's good to go. Okay, next section, contest template. You'll see you've got three boxes here, top, middle or bottom. Now what this is determines where on the page one of these six at this stage fan of the day static images will appear. And if you look here where the cursor is, this is the spot where each day the potential winner of the contest, where their photo will appear. So you can determine whether you want this at the top of the page, the middle or the bottom. Now we highly recommend that you choose either the middle or the bottom, simply because we want people who come to check to see if they're a winner to view your promotional offers and the prizes that you're giving away, discounts that you've got, whatever it happens to be. If you place this static image at the top, it means that they'll come, they can see whether or not they're the winner, and they could just click back or click out. When it's in the middle or down the bottom, particularly down the bottom, it means that they have to, at the very least, scroll past these things and will get a look at your offers to see whether or not they're the winner. So we certainly recommend the bottom. The middle's okay to mix it up every now and then, and you may have your own reasons why you want to place it at the top of the page. Maybe just for something different to do once in a while. As I said, the more you can mix up the way the page looks, the better off you are. So we give you all the options there. It enables, no matter what plans or whatever you've got that you want to do with the page, you can customize it any way you like. So for this example, we'll put it down the bottom, and then we come to the next one, which is the fan of the day graphic that we were talking about, and you can simply choose a different style to fit in with your promotional page. I'm going to choose this blue one here and click on that.